Welcome to the Learning Horizon. In today's video, we will learn about counting. To begin with, what is counting? Counting in math is finding the total number of objects in a set or a group. For example, here we have few apples in the basket. Let us count to find the total number of apples. 1, 2, 3. So, there are 3 apples in the basket. In other words, counting means saying the number names in order while assigning a value to every item in the group. Numbers follow a certain order as shown in the hundreds chart here. So when we count, we begin saying the numbers from 1 following the same order. For example, let us count these bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, if you observe, I started counting from 1 and continued counting by saying the numbers in order. Now, let us look at few common mistakes that kids sometimes make when they first start counting. Again, I will take the same set of bears. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let us understand what's wrong here. Did I begin counting at 1? Yes. Did I follow the order? Let's check. 1, 2, 4. So here we have skipped the number 3 and jumped on to 4 while counting, which means we haven't followed the order, and that will give us the wrong count of bears. Now, look at this example. Here again we have the same set of bears. Let us see what's wrong here. Here again we set the number 2 times. That is, I have assigned same number for red and yellow bear, and that will again give us the wrong count of bears. Now look at this last one. Here the numbers are in order like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. However, we started counting from 2 and not 1. And again that will give us the wrong count of bears. So, the first basic rule we need to understand is, while counting, begin at 1 and continue counting by saying the number names in order. Remember, we don't skip any number or we don't say the same number more than once while counting. Now, once a child understands this first basic rule, we will move on to the next rule. That is, only one number is assigned for each object in the group. If you observe here, each of the bears is assigned with only one number. Now, let us take the same set of bears and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I started counting from 1 and the numbers are in order. So we followed our first rule of counting. But if you see, we have assigned 2 numbers for the red bear, which means we have counted red bear 2 times, and so at the end we get the wrong total. So this is the next important rule that a child needs to understand. That is, only one number is assigned for each object. We don't count same object more than once. Next important fact is that the last number we say while we count is the total quantity. Here 6 is the last number we said. So the total number of bears in this group is equal to 6. As long as we count keeping the first 2 rules in mind, we will arrive at the right total, that is the total count. When we count, the order of the objects do not matter. For instance, here I have counted starting at orange bear and got the count as 6. Now let us try counting from the purple bear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you see, again we got the same total. Now let us start counting at yellow bear and count bears in a random order. Since we are counting in a random order, in order to keep track, I will cross out the bear that has already been considered for counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We get the same total. When kids begin to learn counting, they tend to lose track of objects that has already been counted. So they can use few counting strategies to help them. Let us look at few of such strategies. Count with fingers. Count out loud. Line up and count. Touch and count. Count and check. Count and scoot. So that wraps up our lesson on counting. Do not forget to check the description below for additional information on Anchor chart and worksheets. If you have any queries or suggestions, kindly leave a comment below.